Court is calling 2022 CR 6397, State of Texas versus Lane Fuente. I have parties announced for the record for the state.
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense.
Jeffrey Martinez.
And are you Selene Fuente?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Selene Fuente who was placed in community supervision in 2022 CR 6397 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on September 26, 2022 for a term of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 2 on or about the 5th day of January 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. Defendant Selene Chelsea Fuente did then and there legally use a controlled substance, namely methamphetamine, violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor will waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true and sentence you up to 8 years in the prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, Judge, I understand.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes.
All right, court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. And it is to deny the motion, continue the individual on her probation, and to have an alternate to order evaluation for felony drug court. If that is not satisfied, or rather if she doesn't qualify, order SATF or SATA.
Do you want to raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Selene Fuente.
All right, why are you not doing well on probation?
I was involved with the wrong person, and I was just making a whole bunch of mistakes that I do not plan on making in the future, ma'am, and I do want to better myself.
Mistakes, choices.
No.
There were choices.
Yes, they were my choices.
All right, so you're not making mistakes, you're making choices. Why are you making bad choices?
I have no excuse for them, Your Honor, but I do plan and doing good, better choices. I want to do better, Judge. And I need help, and I'm working out. I would like to do anything I can to help work on myself. I'm willing to do the rehab. I'm willing to do anything to just better myself, not just for myself, but for my kids and my family.
All right, so there's been a previous referral to felony drug court. I cannot read the handwriting of the judge who wrote this.
Judge, I'll look into that, Judge.
Judge, she met the criteria, but she had a pending case in the county court, which that's why they denied her. So she needs to intensive outpatient treatment.
All right, and the county court case, has that been taken care of?
Look at that, Judge. Sorry. Did not check.
Do you have any open cases?
No, ma'am, I have no cases right now pending or anything. I
So
haven't
the county court case, has that been taken care of?
I believe so, yes.
All right, we're gonna look it up and see.
It looks like she doesn't have any case, except for her FTR.
Hoping you will do well. I don't know if you'll do well. Your track record, it appears that maybe you're not gonna do well. So I'm gonna give you a choice. Here's your choice. I can sentence you to 3 years in the prison, or either I can continue you, but you're not gonna be released from custody unless you're in felony drug court or you're going to safety.
I pick either one of those?
No, what's gonna end up happening, I'll refer you to felony drug court.
Yes, ma'am.
If felony drug court is full, or if they do not accept you, then you're going to safety.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
So
Thank
is
you.
that what you're asking for?
Yes, please. I would like to do the program, one of those programs.
All
Yes.
right. So I'll deny the motion, alternating conditions to include referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then safety. Defendant is to remain in custody until transfer to safety or felony drug court. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am, I have three.
What are their ages?
A 13-year-old, an 8-year-old, and a 3-year-old.
And who do they live with?
Right now they're staying with my grandmother.
All right, your grandmother?
Yes. And my girls are staying with my grandmother and my son is staying with, his family.
All right, is Child Protective Services involved?
No, ma'am. They're not in my custody.
I'm sorry?
They're not with me.
No, but did you?
Oh, they were at one point, yes, ma'am. Yes, they were.
So we're gonna do CPS compliance. If applicable. Were your parental rights terminated or anything?
With my son, yes, while I was incarcerated, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what were you incarcerated for previously?
I was incarcerated for a robbery charge.
So we'll do CPS compliance. There's gonna be proof of employment,
Yes, ma'am.
45 days upon release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors until further notice. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm gonna order parenting classes. Once those are completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied.
Yes, sir.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's gonna be the UA hotline upon release. And field visits one time per month upon release
Check one.
for 4 months. And 120 sober meetings in 120 days. Probation, is there anything else?
Okay.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, you're welcome. We can go off the record. So here's the thing. The previous judge just ordered for you to be on probation in community service hours and referred to felony drug court. So I'm adding what should have been added, or what I think not should have been added, I shouldn't say that, but what I think should be added.
Yes, ma'am.
So just in case, if you didn't know you were supposed to report bravery once a month, that's why I added it, so you'll know, because I didn't see it written on the docket sheet. But I know that your rights have been terminated to one of your children,
Mhm.
so that means that the rights haven't been terminated to the other two. You still have a chance to get your life together, perhaps be in their life.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
But do not, this is my advice to you, do not go out there having more children or getting involved in a relationship until you get your life together.
Yes, ma'am.
And once you get to your life together and see clearly, guess what? You will attract good people. All right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you have a question, be sure to ask probation. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court, okay?
Okay.
And if you graduate from felony drug court, I'll be at your graduation.
Thank
All right? Good luck.
You judge.
Welcome.
Let's get the facts straight. She loves a verbal ashtray. Never blowing smoke when she gets pissed. She's quick to castrate. Love her on a good